My dear students, this topic is useful for the students who are pursuing different life sciences courses as major in undergraduation. This is also useful for NEET students. In this class, we are going to learn about pollination, types, and agents. Pollination is the transfer of pollen grains to the stigma of the flower. Autogamy is the transfer of pollen grains to the stigma of the same flower. It is also called self-pollination. Allogamy is the transfer of pollen grains to the stigma of another flower. There are two types of allogamy pollination. One is zootonogamy. This is the transfer of pollen grains to the stigma of another flower on the same plant. Xenogamy. This is the transfer of pollen grains to the stigma of another flower on different plant of the same species. Here, the agents of pollination are listed out. Wind, water, insects, that means maybe honeybees, butterflies like that, birds, snails, even some mammals like bats may act as agents of pollination. Especially insects and butterflies and honeybees, which come under the category of insects. They are the best agents of pollination. You know that insects include butterflies and honeybees, and they are economically important because of their potential to pollinate the different species of flowers. Anemophily is the method of pollination by wind, and the plants that exhibit anemophily usually have certain characters. They produce large number of pollen grains and they develop some sort of efficient mechanism to capture airborne pollen grains, and the pollen grains will be dry and small. Hydrophily is the method of pollination where water is the agent. In entomophily, insects are the agents of pollination. And as I already told, honeybees and butterflies are the best pollinators. Ornithophily, here the birds are the agents of pollination, especially some birds like hummingbirds, which feed on nectar. They are the better pollinating agents. Malacophily, snails are the agents of pollination. Chiropterophily is the method of pollination where bats are the agents. This is about the definition, types, and agents of pollination.